Hello, gardeners and natural plant lovers. Do you want your young pepper, tomato, and cucumber seedlings to be healthy, strong, and ready for the harvest season? Today I'm revealing a simple, cheap, and natural trick with baking soda. This is not just a trick, this is the secret to healthy plants. Stay tuned until the end because I'll share the exact recipe and method of application. What is your favorite plant to grow? Leave a comment below: pepper, tomato, or cucumber. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our gardening tips. Today we're talking about baking soda and something you've never heard of before. Baking soda is not just for the kitchen, it's a real miracle for your plants. When used to feed young seedlings, it helps with several key things. Baking soda reduces the acidity in the soil, making it ideal for the growth of these plants. It acts as a natural fungicide and protects seedlings from fungal infections. It gives plants extra strength to develop healthy leaves and roots. Here is the exact recipe. Take 1 liter of water. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Dissolve this in 5 liters of water to get a mild solution that will not harm young plants. Send this recipe now to your friends and see how it is used. Use the solution to water young seedlings once every 7-10 days. Be careful not to overdo it. Baking soda is powerful and in small quantities gives great results. Pepper, tomato, and cucumber seedlings will get a healthier start thanks to this nutrition and be ready for a bountiful harvest. And there you have it, a simple way to support your seedlings in a completely natural way.
You heard of a trick that uses a common kitchen ingredient, cornmeal, to prepare your soil for planting? If you want healthy and strong tomato, pepper, and cucumber plants, this step is a must. Stay with me until the end of the video to learn why cornmeal is so important and how to use it properly. Are you already preparing your soil for planting? Write to us in the comments and share your tricks for the perfect garden. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural gardening tips. Why add cornmeal to your soil? Cornmeal has several incredible benefits for your garden. A natural source of nutrients, cornmeal contains minerals that are gradually released into the soil and feed the plants as they grow. Cornmeal can help reduce the population of certain pests and fungi that attack young plants. It acts as a natural activator for beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which is essential for healthy root development. How to use cornmeal? Here's a simple procedure. Before planting pepper, tomato, and cucumber seeds, sprinkle a thin layer of cornmeal on the soil, about a handful per square meter. Gently mix the flour into the top layer of soil to evenly distribute it. After that, plant the seeds as usual and water them. This simple step will give your plants an ideal start and make them more resistant to external challenges. And there you have it. A common kitchen ingredient like cornmeal can make a big difference in your garden. Try this method and let us know the results in the comments. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe to our channel for more natural tricks and tips. Thank you for watching, and may your garden be rich and successful this year. See you soon.